and Sister Moon. Praise the Father, Son, and Sister Moon. Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya.
When every creature in the world is born, a spirit stands beside them.
Why?
To light their way through the long, dark night and sing them songs to guide them.
Why?
Because each of us has a destiny that sets us all apart. The path is different for you and me, but the journey begins in the heart. You must go to the east, go to the west. The road is rocky and the way is far. It's a dangerous trail, a difficult quest. If you want to know who you really are, there are forces all around you to comfort and to guide you. Fathers and teachers, powerful creatures, and the voice that sings inside you.
Or you can turn back around, run along home, back to the place where your friends are.
Perhaps that is best. You need the rest.
Who wants to go on a ridiculous quest?
Unless you want to know, you truly want to know.
Unless you want to know who you really are. Who are you? 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 Who are you?
Maru, are you my spirit guide? Are you here to help me?
Have faith and trust in yourself and make the journey.
Maru?